In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit your website using GoDaddy. GoDaddy makes it incredibly simple and convenient to manage and update your website, and today we'll learn exactly how to do it. The first thing we need to do is to navigate to your GoDaddy products. To do this, you'll need to head over to the GoDaddy product page. Once you're there, you'll have to sign into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your GoDaddy products, including your website. Locating your website from your products is the next step in this process. Start by scrolling on your product page until you spot Websites plus Marketing. This is where your website should be listed. Expand the Websites plus Marketing option and look for the website that you wish to work on. Once you find your website, click the Manage button that's next to it. With your website managed, it's time to dive straight into editing. To start editing your website, strictly select the Edit Website option. This would open the Website Builder, a powerful tool that lets you modify various aspects of your website, ranging from its design to its content. Speaking of content, let's dive into how you can edit elements on your website. Start the editing process by selecting the specific section, text, or image you want to update or change. It's as simple as clicking on it. Once you've selected a content element, GoDaddy will automatically provide you with options to modify the selected element. You can use these options to tweak the text, replace images, or even adjust the layout of your website, giving it a whole new look or refreshing its existing one. In GoDaddy, you're not just limited to editing existing sections. If you wish, you can introduce new sections to your website or rearrange or delete existing ones right from the editor, giving you total control over how you'd like your website to appear. Once all your edits are complete, it's time to preview your changes and make sure everything appears just the way you want it. To do this, simply click on the Preview option. This will give you a complete view of how your changes would appear once they're published. If you're satisfied with all your changes, you can finalize your edits by clicking Publish. Keep in mind that once you click Publish, your changes will go live on your website for all the world to see. There you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on how to edit your website in GoDaddy. It's easy and straightforward, and once you get started, you'll realize how fun and meshed it is to edit and manage your own website. Happy editing!